Hi, this is Ray with Spray Wash Exterior Cleaning, bringing you scenes from our cleaning of the Renaissance Center here in Tallahassee, Florida. This property is owned by the City of Tallahassee and managed by Tallahassee Land Management. This project was cleaned in mid-February 2014. We employed both soft washing and pressure washing techniques to achieve these results on this building. One of the services we're very happy to offer is spot-free window cleaning using a water-fed pole. This provides sparkling clear windows after our wash. When you have commercial cleaning needs, call Tallahassee's experts, Spray Wash Exterior Cleaning.